So, this is what a Bloodstained Ritual of the Night Kickstarter backer receives. It just contains the game in here. The other side is just shipping information. They said that they're shipping the physical disc separate with the physical reward items. And since there's a delay, they did not want to stop you from playing the game. So, they sent it separately. Woo! So it comes in this exclusive Kickstarter sleeve. Here's just a fan gamer ad. And here is a nice shiny sleeve saying Bloodstained Campaign Backer. And then inside should be the regular Bloodstained, which I got for PS4. So now this is just the standard PS4 Bloodstained case. Well, no manual or book. Games don't come with those anymore. And here's the disc. They were falling behind on the actual collector's edition items. This is what backers received first, and about 4 months later, finally, I got in the mail the complete collector's edition. I bought the $300 tier with the signed collector's box. So let's see what we got in here. So first off, right off the bat, we have a signed soundtrack cover, and this should be a signed by IGA himself Bloodstained cover. And there it is. So it's the same cover I got with the game, but this one's signed with gold marker. And this is a slip cover of the soundtrack, signed by the composer. That is my bonus signed slip covers. And then this should be the same for everyone else, whether or not they got it signed. Ooh. You can see a size comparison of the box compared PS4 game box. Here's the thickness. It's very shiny. We have, it looks like early artwork here on the side. Sengetsu. And on the back. So let's open this up. So this is the side of the box. So this is the side of the box on the inside. Ooh, I'm loving how shiny gold this is. And then inside here, ooh, it looks like it's my backer edition t-shirt. I got it in red. It is packed in a box-like form. I will open that up at the end. So in here we have the soundtrack case. Look at that artwork. Bloodstained Ritual of the Night. Yep, and inside, enclosed are the minted items in your Alchemist treasure rewards, plus the temporary tattoo and button you received for unlocking the stained glass and malevolent metal achievements during the Kickstarter. This package also serves as the spacer for your copy of Bloodstained. Place your game here on additional spacers included inside for the Nintendo Switch version of the game. Wow. Ooh, so it opens up, and inside we have a sword, a bloodstained button. Here's the temporary tattoo and a flower pin. Cool. So yeah, it's the similar tattoo that Miriam has on her back of the flower. It's a pretty large pin, so it has double pins on it. And you can see it says Bloodstained 2019 Art Play. And then here we have an additional spacer. So I guess you open this because it's to give you additional space if you have the Switch version of the game. And then here we have a poster. It's a poster of the artwork near the beginning of the development. You can tell Miriam kind of looks a bit different. It was basically their prototype image. And then here we have the original soundtrack sealed. Here we have the soundtrack with the same slipcase, not signed. Inside, we have the original soundtrack on disc 2 here. And that's the back art. Here's a strategy booklet. And then we have disc 1 of the original soundtrack. And here's all the track listings. That is a lot of music. Double disc soundtrack. Then here we have a mini strategy booklet. Story. So Miriam, Dominique, Johannes, Alfred, Zangetsu, Jebel. So this is the story that appears at the beginning of the game. Then here we have a game screen, pause screen. It's essentially the booklet that's supposed to come in the actual game case. They just gave it a bit later because I guess it took them time to print a very nice old school style colored version manual. So they threw it in the soundtrack, but I'm pretty sure it's made to go in the actual game case itself. Nice. And then like they said, if you wanted to, you put the soundtrack and the game case in the box here. Let's see if the game case fits with the extra Kickstarter sleeve. And it does. So you can fit the Kickstarter sleeve in with the soundtrack. We have in here an art book. The Art of Bloodstained, Ritual of the Nights. So once again, using its very shiny gold art, I'm gonna just flip through a few pages here. Yeah, so it's a pretty hefty art book. It has quite a bit pages. Has the monster appendix here. Pictures of all the monsters. The bosses. Oh, spoilers by the way if you haven't played the game, but I'm pretty sure you figured that out. Here are a bunch of the weapons and pictures of all the outfits and equipment. Here are guns in the game. Backer weapons. And here are some examples of different ways you can customize Miriam. Oh yes, the Christmas hat. Over large witch hats. glasses, and a thank you at the end for successfully backing this game. And now lastly here we have a t-shirt, which I hope will not be too difficult to repack once I open it up. So they put in a cardboard box, and so the top, it's an official Bloodstained Backer Edition shirt. I guess that L's for large because I got a large size. Made in Honduras, 100% cotton. So it comes with that cardboard, and the image on the front is an image of, don't want to spoil, but if you played the game you will know what that is an image of. And it has the background of the castle, and you're gonna have to play the game to understand what this character is. Some people might have different colors. I specifically chose a red one to match with the box, and that is it. So that is everything that comes in the Bloodstained Kickstarter Collector's Edition. So I hope this video was useful, and give me a thumbs up, comment for any questions, and subscribe. Thanks. Peace out.